Ever wondered what life would be like on another planet? Well, buckle up, because today we're taking a journey beyond our own solar system into the realm of exoplanets. These are planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system, and there are thousands of them, each with its own unique characteristics and potential. Among this cosmic sea, there's one planet that has scientists particularly excited. Its name is Kepler-452b, and some are already calling it Earth 2.0. Situated a staggering 1,400 light-years away from Earth, this distant world orbits a star remarkably similar to our own sun, known as Kepler-452. But this isn't just any star. Kepler-452 is about 6 billion years old. That's 1.5 billion years older than our sun. This advanced age has led some to speculate that Kepler-452b could have had more time to develop life, if the conditions were right. Kepler-452b is about 5 times the size of Earth, and orbits its star at just the right distance to potentially allow for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. This Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, gives Kepler-452b a strong potential for hosting life. But before you start planning your interstellar vacation, it's important to note that while Kepler-452b has many Earth-like qualities, it's also very different. For instance, the planet's gravity is twice as strong as Earth's, which could make for a very different living experience. Despite the distance and differences, the discovery and study of Kepler-452b have provided invaluable insights into the potential for life outside our solar system. It's a tantalizing glimpse into what could be out there, waiting for us to discover. Intrigued? Let's take a closer look at this fascinating world. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Kepler-452b, we're not just exploring a distant planet, we're exploring the possibilities for life beyond our own world. So stay tuned because our journey is just beginning. Kepler-452b orbits a star much like our sun, known as Kepler-452. But this star isn't a spring chicken in cosmic terms, it's a staggering 6 billion years old, significantly older than our own sun. This age difference could have intriguing implications for the potential ecosystem of Kepler-452b. Think about it, Earth's biodiversity has flourished over the span of 4.5 billion years. Given an extra 1.5 billion years, who knows what kind of life could have evolved on Kepler-452b? Could there be organisms that have adapted to the conditions of this far-off world, just as life on Earth has adapted to our own unique conditions? Could there be trees that stretch up to the stars, or creatures that swim in its deep blue oceans? In addition to its venerable age, Kepler-452, the star that our potential twin orbits, is also about 20% brighter than our sun. This could mean that Kepler-452b receives more energy and heat, possibly leading to a more dynamic weather system, and a greater potential for life-giving water. But what about the planet itself? Well, scientists believe that Kepler-452b could be a rocky planet, much like Earth. It might even have a thick atmosphere. Imagine, a sky filled with alien clouds, perhaps even storms and rain, just like home. However, a thick atmosphere also means that the surface of Kepler-452b could be subject to intense pressures, much greater than we experience on Earth. This could create a challenging environment for life as we know it. But then again, life has a knack for adapting to the most extreme conditions. So, we have a planet that orbits a star much like our sun, potentially has a rocky surface, and might even have a thick atmosphere. Sounds like a place you'd want to visit, right? But before you start planning your interstellar vacation, let's delve into what life on Kepler-452b might actually be like. With a gravity 2 times stronger than Earth's, life on Kepler-452b would certainly be a unique experience. Picture yourself stepping onto the surface of this otherworldly planet, instantly feeling twice as heavy. Your feet sink slightly into the alien soil, each step requiring an effort as if you were wearing a backpack loaded with bricks. But don't despair. Over time, your muscles would adapt to the increased demands of this high-gravity environment. Just imagine the level of strength and endurance you'd develop. You'd essentially be training like an astronaut every day, just by going about your daily life. But it wouldn't just be the gravity making life on Kepler-452b unique, there's also the matter of time. A year on Kepler-452b isn't the same as a year on Earth. In fact, it's nearly 385 Earth days long. That's over 20 extra days to fit into your annual calendar, which might require some creative reimagining of our existing months. Perhaps we'd need a new month entirely. that's not the only time-related change you'd experience. Days on Kepler-452b would also feel a little longer. This planet spins slightly slower than Earth, meaning that the sun would rise and set at a more leisurely pace. Imagine having a few extra hours in the day to enjoy this alien world. Living on Kepler-452b would certainly pose some interesting challenges, but it would also be an adventure like no other. The chance to explore a new world, to see the universe from a completely different perspective, is an opportunity that many of us dream of. But while we dream of celebrating birthdays on this distant world, there's still much we need to learn about it. We're still piecing together the puzzle of this fascinating planet, trying to understand its climate, its potential for water, and the possibility of it hosting life. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what secrets Kepler-452b might reveal? Until then, we can only wonder and dream about life on our potential twin planet. While we're still far from sending humans to Kepler-452b, the future of exploration looks promising. As we cast our eyes towards the cosmos, our curiosity paves the way for the next phase of space exploration. Today, we're not just looking at planets in our solar system, we're reaching out to exoplanets like Kepler-452b. The distance and challenges may be great, but our resolve is greater. Our current technology might not be ready to send humans to this distant world, but we're on the cusp of a new era, one where robotic explorers lead the charge, stretching the boundaries of human reach. Imagine a fleet of robotic explorers cruising through the vast emptiness of space, heading towards Kepler-452b. These explorers, equipped with advanced sensors and analytical tools, will be our eyes and ears, our hands and feet, on this distant world. They will soar through the planet's atmosphere, scanning and probing to provide us with critical data. They will study the composition of the air, measure the gravitational pull, and even sample the soil. They will map the planet's surface, seeking signs of geological activity, and perhaps, just perhaps, signs of life. But these missions are not just about gathering data, they're about expanding our understanding of the universe. They're about answering the age-old question, are we alone? The potential rewards of these missions are immense. Each piece of information brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. And who knows, perhaps one day, these robotic missions will pave the way for human explorers. In our pursuit of exploration, we're not just looking for new planets. We're looking for new perspectives, new ways to see our world and ourselves. As we reach out to Kepler-452b, we're also reaching inward, exploring the depth of our curiosity, our resilience, and our capacity for wonder. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us on this fascinating world? Indeed, the future of exploration is bright, promising, and full of mystery. As we continue our journey, let's remember we're not just exploring space, we're exploring the essence of who we are. Kepler-452b offers a tantalizing glimpse into what our cosmic twin might look like. This far-off world, nestled in the constellation Cygnus, has fascinated scientists and space enthusiasts alike with its striking similarities to our home planet. We've journeyed through the cosmos together, exploring the intriguing characteristics of Kepler-452b. Its potentially rocky terrain, vast oceans, and thick atmosphere hold the promise of a world where life could thrive. We've marveled at its star, Kepler-452, a sun older than our own and perhaps holding secrets of an evolved ecosystem. The stronger gravity on Kepler-452b paints a picture of a world where we would have to adapt and evolve, becoming stronger than we ever thought possible. With a year stretching longer than our own, we could celebrate more birthdays, albeit with a bit more weight to carry around. But what truly makes Kepler-452b so compelling is not just its physical characteristics. It's the potential it holds for our understanding of the universe. The fact that such a planet exists, so similar yet so far away, inspires us to push the boundaries of exploration. It's a testament to the marvels that await us in the cosmos, a reminder that we are but a small part of a vast and wondrous universe. As we stand on the brink of new discoveries, Kepler-452b stands as a beacon, guiding our quest for knowledge. Future missions, possibly involving robotic explorers, could bring us closer to this intriguing world, unveiling the mysteries it holds. But for now, we can only dream and speculate about our cosmic twin, using the tools and knowledge at our disposal to study it from afar. It's a journey of discovery, one that fuels our curiosity and drives our passion for exploration. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other wonders we'll find? This is the beauty of space exploration, the thrill of the unknown, the joy of discovery. Kepler-452b is just one of the many celestial bodies that beckon us, reminding us of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our world. So keep looking up. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And who knows? Perhaps one day we might just find our true cosmic twin out there among the stars.